In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a workbook password in Excel for Microsoft 365. Start by opening Excel from the Start menu. When the Excel Start screen appears, go to your recent files and click the workbook you want to open. Because this workbook is already protected, Excel will show a password prompt before it opens. In the password box, type your current password, the one that is already assigned to this workbook. Take a moment to enter it carefully, then click OK. The workbook will open, and you'll be taken into the file where you can see the sheet content. Next, go to the top left corner and click the File tab. This opens the Backstage view, which is where workbook level settings are managed. In the left sidebar, click Info. In the middle of the Info screen, find the Protect Workbook tile and click it to open the drop-down menu. From that list, choose Encrypt with Password. An Encrypt document dialog box will appear. In the password field, the current password is hidden as dots. Click inside that box, select all of the existing dots, and press Delete so the field is completely cleared. Now type the new password. Enter demo123. Read that as demo, then 123, and make sure the full password is in the box exactly as intended. Once the new password has been entered, click OK. A Confirm Password dialog will appear next. In that box, type the same password again, demo123, matching the first entry exactly. This confirmation step makes sure the new password was entered correctly. After retyping it, click OK. You'll return to the info screen. The Protect Workbook tile will still show that a password is required to open the workbook. That means the protection is still active, but it has now been updated with the new password you just entered. To finish, click the back arrow in the top left corner of the Backstage view. That takes you back to the worksheet. The workbook is now protected with the new password and the previous password no longer works. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.